Black&Decker original thermoelectric cooler, 8 liters capacity, being checked for a Daraz order on 10th May 2024. This is the shipping label. Model is BDC 8-B5. It runs on the cigarette lighter port of cars. It's also called as a car mini fridge. Now we will show you the contents. These are the instruction manuals. This is original Black&Decker. There are two pouches from on either sides. वहाँ से दिखाओ, घुमाओ. This is the second pouch. This is from the inside. You can see the capacity. It is 8 liters. .43 watts is the rating power of cooling, and 32 watts is the rating power of when you use it for being hot. So there are two modes in it. There you can see cold and hot mode. This is the charging port. This is the fan inside. It's a very good item for traveling. Pack कर दो. This is extra compartment. ठीक है, फिर इसको जो है ना ब्राउन शीट में और फिर श्रिंक रैप में पैक कर देना ताकि सेफली चला जाए.